Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And on today's video, I will be guiding you how to install updates on Google Play Store. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. On your mobile device, first of all, open up the settings application and from here tap on apps. Again, tap on see all apps. Here you will get all your apps installed on your mobile device. Now look for Google Play Store and tap upon that. Once you open Google Play Store, you will land on App Info page of Google Play Store. From this interface, tap on three dot icon from the upper right corner. Then tap on Install Updates. Here, a dialog box will pop up that says replace this app with factory version. All data will be removed. So tap on OK and your updates on Google Play Store will get installed. So that's how you install updates on Google Play Store. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.